I'm Alex Reno with Tuts Plus, and today I'm going to show you how to map just about any key on your keyboard to a shortcut of your choosing. To accomplish this, we'll need to take advantage of two applications. One that's preloaded on your Mac, and the other a free utility called Key Remap for MacBook. Let's get started with what your Mac can do out of the box. First, navigate to System Preferences. Next, choose Keyboard. From there, select Shortcuts. You'll see a list of system functions for which there are already shortcuts on the left. Let's edit the shortcut to access Spotlight. Unsurprisingly, we'll click on Spotlight and we'll see the list of available keyboard shortcuts for that function. In the case of Spotlight, that's just 2 items. If you'd simply like to disable a shortcut, just uncheck the box to its left. To change the key combination used to access a particular function, we'll click the key combination until it becomes editable. Once we're able to edit the field, just type the keyboard combination you'd like to use. In my case, I'll replace the Command space with Command-Shift-S. And that's it. Hitting Command-Shift-S will now show the Spotlight search field. But that's just the beginning. We can also create app shortcuts that allow us to access any function in an application's menu bar with the simple keystroke. To do this, click on App Shortcuts in the left-hand box. Next, press plus. Now we're prompted to do a couple of things. First, we'll need to choose the applications which we'd like this shortcut to work for. The default option is all applications, but as you can see, we can select any application on the Mac. Let's use Notes. Once we've selected the application, we'll need to find out the title of the menu command we're looking to add. For this example, let's create a keyboard shortcut for the menu item Accounts. Make sure to note exactly how the menu item is written, or else your Mac won't be able to recognize it. Now, just copy the text of the menu title exactly as you see it into the menu title box. Next, we'll create our keyboard combination. Let's use Command-Shift-A. Finally, just click Add and restart the application you created the shortcut for. Now, when I press Command-Shift-A, you'll see that we've triggered the Accounts menu item. Pretty cool, right? But keyboard shortcuts can only take us so far. To really customize just about every key on our Mac, we'll need to use the free utility I mentioned earlier called Key Remap for MacBook. Contrary to its name, Key Remap for MacBook isn't just for MacBooks. In fact, it now works on all Macs, including iMac, Mac Mini, and Mac Pro. To get started, we'll download the DMG file from the application's website. I've included a link to the download page in the body of this quick tip, so don't worry about typing out the URL. Once downloaded, we'll install Key Remap for MacBook just like any other application. Just open the PKG file and follow the instructions. In the interest of keeping this quick tip, well, quick, I've taken the liberty of installing it already. Once you've finished the install, we can move on to tackling just the tip of what Key Remap for MacBook is actually capable of. At first, Key Remap for MacBook might look intimidating, but we're only going to concern ourselves with its Change Key functionality. As you can see, we're able to edit the functionality of just about every special key on our Mac. Let's remap the Eject key. As you can see, just searching for the key by name will bring up the list of available remapping options. Also listed, for certain keys, like Eject, are some limitations. Once you've read over the limitations, just check the box next to the function that you'd like to remap the key to. For example, let's remap our Eject key to activate Expose. Now, simply holding down the Eject key will activate Expose. Finally, at the top of the list of available keys to remap, you'll see a menu called General. This includes a variety of useful options, including ones to bypass remapping keys on either internal or external keyboards. Once you've decided whether or not you'd like to bypass any inputs, we're all set. You've now taken the first step to becoming a keyboard power user.